This is Lynn, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to remove crackling or saliva sounds from your recording. Now, again, all my videos on this particular channel, it's about recording, cleaning up audio, and basically recording your own audio or voiceover. Now, I've got a couple of other videos that are a little off topic, but that's what the majority of my videos are about. So, we're going to listen to this clip. Again, this is from my book, Living the Lifestyle, which is available on Amazon, Audible, Apple Play, Barnes and Noble. There's a lot of places you can get that book, but one of my books anyway. So let's just listen to this real quick. Without good communication, it is a certainty that your relationship will not survive. I think I count like 4 different sounds. Let's listen again. It is a certainty that your relationship will not survive. Okay, so like 3 in this section and 1 in this section. So let's get to work on this. First thing we can do to completely clean this up, since there's so much going on here, is we can use a plugin. Now, the plugin that, well, there's a couple of plugins you can use for RX10. So let's go to RX10. Let's see here. Now, this sounds, well, self-explanatory, right? They're clicks, right? So let's try this one. I'm going to just go with the default setting and see if this resolves the issue. Let's listen. Without good communication, it is a certainty that your relationship will not survive. Couples getting into... It looks like I got most of it. Let's listen again. It is a certainty that your relationship will not survive. Okay. Couples... All right, second time I listen to it, doesn't sound as good. I'll listen to it one more time on this setting. It is a certainty that your relationship will not survive. Couples getting a lot going on in that particular section. So it definitely didn't do the job. So let's choose another setting. We're going to go to menu and let's go to periodic clicks and see if that solves the problem. Without good communication, it is a certainty that your relationship will not survive. Couples getting into the lifestyle that already have problems with that your relationship will not survive. Couples getting into the lifestyle that already have problems with the majority of that. I think there's like one more sound that I'm hearing in this section. Let's listen one more time. It will not survive. Couples getting into the lifestyle. I know I heard one more sound. Let's try it again. It is a certainty that your relationship will not survive. It sounds like there's couples getting right into the lifestyle. But that sound that I'm hearing is, it's not a saliva or ticking sound. So what we just used, it did work, but there's something else there. I want to listen one more time. It is a certainty that your relationship will not survive. Sounds like a couple's like getting into the lifestyle. Sounds like I'm hitting the mic stand or something. One more time. It is a certainty that your relationship will not survive. It's like right couples here. Getting into the lifestyle. Because that's different. I didn't hear that before. So we got rid of those clicks. There's another sound there. That your relationship will not survive. Interested in swinging? Want to know how to get into the lifestyle? Check out Living the Lifestyle and Swingopedia, available on Audible, Barnes & Noble, Amazon, Apple Music, and just about anywhere books are sold. 5. Couples getting into the lifestyle that your relationship will not survive. Couples getting into the lifestyle that already... As you can see, I'm moving the cut a little bit. that your relationship will not survive. Couples getting into the lifestyle that are is a certainty that your relationship will not survive. Couples getting into the lifestyle that already have a certainty that your relationship will not survive. I want you to clearly look at what I just did, okay? Because that works, and it's a combination of cutting and using a sound effect. Now, we have four separate sounds that were causing problems. They basically, three of them sounded like they were either saliva noises or just crackling noises. And then the last one was just like maybe I hit the mic stand or something when I recorded it. So you got four separate sounds, and I used a combination of two things. I used a plugin, which this plugin was not really effective, so I'm going to take that off. But we used this particular plugin right here, which is D-Click from RX10. That is the suite that comes from. These are isotope plugins pretty much. And then I cut it. That seemed to work. Let's listen to the whole clip again and see if my ears are failing me or if this really did work. It is a certainty that your relationship will not survive. Couples getting into the lifestyle that already have problems. Okay, so this is a pretty good tutorial, I think, because it allowed you to see two different ways to fix a problem with your audio. And I have a ton of different tricks and different things you can use to try to fix audio. Hopefully your audio is not as bad as mine is, because this can really be a pain in the butt if you're working on a long project. Like some of my chapters in this book were like 32 minutes long. And again, as I mentioned before, my voice is horrible when it comes to recording. One of the reasons why I wanted to pay somebody, and one of the reasons why I paid someone for the first 3 audiobooks I did. But as you will find out when you start doing audiobooks, some distributors don't allow you to do certain things. So I had to record my stuff over pretty much. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. Once again, please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And you can also check out my books, Swingopedia and Living the Lifestyle, both available on Amazon and other places like Audible. And then check out my friend's book, which is called How to Catch a Cheater. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful for you, and we'll see you in the next video.